Good morning everyone, and thanks for hanging out with me. Still no update on the Kona test ride, still in my stupid fossil car. Let's talk about a few new cars that are coming out. I want to know what you think about them, what excites you, what you think is boring, what's totally wrong. And thought the first car that I want to talk to you about is the Sono Motors Sion. I will have a test drive only 30 kilometers from here in October, I think. I have to look it up. And the test drive, you reserve your test spot online, and then you get a test drive for 5 minutes. I will film that, of course, but it won't be a lot in there. I will talk about it afterwards. And let's talk about that I really respect that a few people, and I think there were students, started that from scratch, and that's amazing to plan an electric car, get people to invest in it, build it, have a manufacturer that will build it in the future. They have 7,000 or 8,000 orders for the car already. That's amazing for a company that didn't exist 2 years ago. And the price, of course, is amazing. 60,000 euros without the battery and 20,000 euros with the battery. That's really amazing. Let's go over the stats. They say 80 kilowatt, 110 horsepower motor and 250 kilometers of range. The special features that it has is, of course, the solar panels all over the car that even can collect power from sunlight that is reflected, but of course not as much as direct. And on a perfect day, when it stands at the perfect spot with the longest day there is, with no clouds at all, you get 30 kilometers more range with that. Just the car standing there. That's great. And oh god, no car. And the other thing that's I think is cool is that you can charge stuff. You can use power from the battery for something else. You have a normal Shuku outlet, so you can use something with the power of the battery, like Nissan Leaf is doing too. So it's a great idea for people who need that, who want that. That's something great. But how do you feel about the car? And I have to say, for me, again, respect for everything, and it's great, features, blah blah blah, but for me the car doesn't excite me at all. When I look at it and when I see it, I think it's ugly, and when I hear the stats, so 80 kilowatt motor and 250 kilometers of range, 35 or 45 kilowatt hour battery. No, that doesn't excite me at all. Again, for me, I want a car that has at least 400 kilometers of real range. So it's what I need. Other people are in the city or whatever, they need different cars. I totally get that. But for me, this car is not interesting at all. And like I said, how it looks like, the features and everything don't excite me at all. So I know that it exists, but I never look at videos about it. I will do the test ride just because I want to see. But so for me it's boring, and I want to know what you think about it. I mean, you know, all the new cars that are coming out, let me know what you think. Is it exciting for you? Do you think that's something special? I mean, the price is really awesome. Let me know what you think. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day and take care. Bye.